Hey everybody, it's your girl, Sugarface by Quantum, and I just wanted to do this quick video. I'm whispering because everybody is late and everybody's asleep, but I got my package from Sephora today. Ta-da! I'm gonna show you what I got. If any of you familiar with the name Patrick Starr, then you already know that he has some new makeup products that just came out. Patrick Starr is a makeup guru, or maybe not a makeup guru, but he is now, and he's also a makeup artist. He does different things, but check him out. He's on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. But he has a new makeup line called One Size. He has like eyeshadow palettes. He has I believe he has lipstick out. He has these new makeup wipes, and he has a spray mist. Those were the two first items that launched from his line. So of course I had to get up on it. I got the new One Size makeup dissolving mist called Go Off. See my face? It's called Go Off. Alright, pay no attention to the nails. I gotta redo them. And he also has the Go Off makeup removal wipes. What's so special about these? I tell you what's so special. These, usually when you use makeup removal wipes, you know, they just a lot of brands make them, but you have to end up using so many wipes to get the makeup off your face. By the time you get the makeup off, you can use half the pack, you know, depending on how big the pack is. But with this, it's like a two-step thing. You take this, you spray your face that has the makeup on it, spray it, and then you take one of the wipes and you just gently wipe off. And it's supposed to come off with one wipe. Supposed to. I've seen a demonstration. I've seen Patrick Starr demonstrate it, and it seems to be all that you have to use is just one wipe, and they're giant wipes. On the back of here it says Go Off Juiciest Makeup Wiper. Makeup removal wipes, because size matters. Our giant super saturated wipes remove even the most stubborn makeup with one juicy wipe. For ultimate makeup removal experience, pair with Go Off makeup dissolving mist and follow with daily face cleanser. To remove your full beat face of makeup, pair with Go Off makeup dissolving mist. It is cruelty free. So yes, I'm probably, most likely after I do one of my makeup reviews and I do a full face, okay, then I'm going to do another video right behind it demonstrating these, the mist and the wipes, so y'all can see from an actual customer how well these are, and I will give my full review and what I think about them. Okay, I'm super excited. I'm a big fan of Patrick Starr. I love him, and I'm happy that he has his own makeup line. And I do it's late, y'all. I am going to order some more of his items, like his makeup, eyeshadow, whatever else he has out, brushes, whatever. So I can't wait. And I can't wait to show y'all how these work. And I'm super excited. And yeah. One size, y'all. Let's get it.